Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a tutorial on this look and I'm using mostly Illamasqua makeup products for this look. And if you are a long time subscriber of mine, then you will know that I love Illamasqua products. I have a bunch of them and I have been using their OMG highlighter for many years now. But what really inspired me to do this makeup tutorial today is the new setting spray. So this is the Hydra Setting Spray right here. And this is a lovely lightweight setting spray that gives a really lovely dewy finish to the skin. So that's the mist right there. It's very fine, and there's a bunch of skin loving ingredients in it like pea peptides, which are rich in amino acids. So it's a very revitalising and refreshing mist, and I've been loving using it over the past few days. So I really want to mention this to you just in case you haven't heard of it yet. Yeah, I've been loving it, and I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you, because if you're on a hunt for a new dewy setting spray, then this one I would give a go, because yeah, it's real lovely. It's also vegan and cruelty free, so that is really good. And of course I've used a bunch of other Illamasqua makeup products for this look. I have had to include some other brands because I don't have everything from Illamasqua, unfortunately, but I've tried to use as much as I can, of course, from Illamasqua. So yeah, I hope you will like this look. And if you're interested in seeing how I created it using a bunch of Illamasqua makeup products, then let's go ahead and we'll get started with the tutorial.